The return of the Aprilia brand to its big African foray is fast approaching. The new Aprilia Tuareg prototype, developed to compete in the desert, has covered the first kilometer of the test with positive feedback from both Aprilia Racing's factory riders, Jacopo Cerutti and Francesco Montanari. Launched in secret preview to the public on May 27 during the grand celebration of Aprilia All-Stars, the Tuareg, developed for rally raids, was born on the technical basis of a bicycle which, originating from the stock model, is today the great protagonist of the World Italian Motorcycling Championship, the terrain selected to set up the development path of the Back to Africa project. Developed by Aprilia Racing in collaboration with Corse, owned by the Koreshi brothers, Aprilia Tuareg, born for desert racing, exploits the brilliant off-road basic features of the stock Tuareg 660, introducing the appropriate modifications needed to tackle the tough onslaught of Africa. Aprilia Tuareg was developed by Aprilia Racing, teamed up with Corse for desert racing, taking advantage of the outstanding off-road capabilities of the standard Tuareg 660. But it also brings various important modifications to deal with the merciless terrain of African raids. The first phase of testing focused on the chassis, adopting a new demountable frame with revised geometry to ensure stability at high speeds and greater suspension travel. The company will continue development of the first additional engines and tanks in the coming months. The racing version of the Tuareg comes with Olin suspension by Andriani, a titanium SC project exhaust, and a special sprint filter air filter. Not to forget, collaboration with Metzeler is also very important.